How to change Fiverr account password. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change Fiverr account password. Fiverr is an online marketplace that connects freelancers with clients seeking services in various fields. Now, if you want to change the password of your Fiverr account to make it more secure, then here's how you can do it. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your device, and in the search bar, you need to type fiverr.com. Once you have entered this keyword, now press the enter button to search it. Once you reach to the official website of Fiverr, here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will reach to this page. Here at the top, you will find your profile icon. Go ahead and click on your profile icon, and from this drop-down menu, you need to click on this settings. Once you click on settings, now you will be redirected to the settings page. In this page at the left side, you will find security option, which is just below account option. Now click on this security. Once doing that, now you will be presented with this interface. Here you can see the word change password. In this page, here you need to enter your current password in the first box, and then in the second box, you need to enter a new password. After that, you need to re-enter that password in the third box. Now start by entering your current password in the first box. Once you have entered your new password, now re-enter the same password in the third box. Make sure to enter the similar password here. Also make sure your password is 8 characters or longer than that. Also combine your upper and lowercase letters and numbers in your password. After you are done entering your password, there at the bottom you will find Save Changes button. You need to click on the Save Changes button in order to apply the changes. After that, you can see you have successfully changed your password on Fiverr account. So this is how you can change password on Fiverr to make it more secure. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.